Gold against US dollar this week could not manage to go outside of this indecision range area. Like in the previous week, the price was jumping up and down. We can see the week started with this bullish candle, then returning back down to this area of support, bouncing, returning back above this area of resistance, and it has stopped. So there is no clear signal currently on the market who is stronger, who is not, but we can see there are more bullish candles, and also the price has returned here to the higher price levels, where we can see that the weekly time frame has closed as a bullish candle. Small candle body, but it is a bullish candle, and we can see there was a strong selling pressure pushing the price down, but it has recovered. What we can expect for the next week? Currently it is the same scenario. Wait until the price makes a bullish breakout here or bearish breakout here, indicating further decline in value. This one that has been formed on the chart is not successfully made, and we can see on the 4-hour time frame how this looks. The price formed here a small bearish breakout. It was not a strong one. The price has recovered here, and similar scenario was here. So there is no clear signal, and we can see the price is having problems going above this area of resistance. The price was trying to move up, but returning back down. So what we can expect, is there any indication where the price could go? Well, first of all, from here I'm more inclined to see right now for the next week the price will try to reach and try to form here a bullish breakout. Then it is forming a bearish breakout. Before that happens, anything can happen over the weekend, so it is mandatory to see how the Monday will open. Will it open with a gap up or down, and how the Monday will close? It will be indication how the market is currently behaving, and also what could be the result for the rest of the week, which in direction the price could go. So for now I'm staying outside, waiting until the Monday opens, and then see how the price is behaving, and also how the market is breathing the start of the week. So for now, stay out, at least from my side, waiting for a clean breakout above this area of resistance or below this area of support, and then follow the market and not chasing the market. If you would like to receive the updates during the week when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakouts on the lower time frames like 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, feel free to check the premium analysis, where I share the details for the traders when there is a breakout, what is the target. The link will be below in the description, so feel free to join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.